Hello and welcome to Midas Markets Daily News. Let's kick off your trading day with the latest financial news and market headlines.
Hi traders, this is Jason with the market update. The US dollar index held above 98 on Wednesday after stronger than expected US inflation data reduced expectations for Federal Reserve rate cuts. April CPI rose 3.8%, beating forecasts and reaching its highest level since May 2023, driven by higher energy prices linked to Middle East tensions. Markets have now largely priced out rate cuts this year, while expectations for a December rate hike have increased. WTI crude fell below $97 per barrel on Wednesday, ending a three-day rally, even as Middle East tensions and restrictions around the Strait of Hormuz continued to pressure global energy supply. Efforts to mediate the US-Iran conflict have made little progress, while Washington's rejection of Tehran's latest peace proposal has kept ceasefire hopes fragile. At the same time, stronger US inflation driven by higher energy costs has added another layer of pressure to the market. Spot gold briefly climbed to $4,727 before pulling back sharply toward $4,687, then recovering near $4,690 by the close. Gold came under pressure after stronger than expected US inflation data reduced market expectations for Federal Reserve rate cuts. April CPI rose to 3.8%, the highest since May 2023, as Middle East-related energy costs pushed prices higher. Meanwhile, India raised import duties on gold and silver to curb bullion demand and support its currency. Yen rose to 158 on Wednesday, marking its third straight session of gains, as hotter than expected US inflation strengthened the dollar and increased expectations for tighter Federal Reserve policy. In Japan, the Bank of Japan's April meeting summary showed policymakers discuss the possibility of raising rates as soon as the next meeting. Rising oil prices also added to inflation concerns, while traders remain alert to possible intervention as officials continue to warn against excessive currency volatility. Euro fell toward 1.17 as investors assessed rising US-Iran tensions and growing expectations for further European Central Bank rate hikes. Brent crude climbed above $105 after President Trump rejected Iran's latest peace proposal. Money markets are now pricing in 3 ECB rate hikes this year, with the first expected as early as June. Meanwhile, Germany's ZEW sentiment index improved in May but remained negative, showing that investor confidence is still fragile.
We hope you enjoyed today's market outlook. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Remember to join us tomorrow morning for the freshest news.